So before we start our service, I just want to let you know I have a price increase.
How much?
Oh, just $20 above our service. So usually your service is $50.
But I've been
So
paying this price all this time.
I know you've been paying the same price since 2005, and it's time for me to increase.
But why? My income hasn't increased. I still get the same amount.
Yeah, but things has been going up. I mean, that's just I'm
But I'm a
raising.
senior.
I'm raising price. You're a senior.
Yes.
That has.
You should give me. In fact, you should give me senior prices.
Yeah, but that would be discriminating. So no, I increase price for everybody. So not just you.
Well, how much?
I told you $20 above whatever you used to pay. So it's 70 today.
Oh my God. No, then you're just gonna have to just polish them, and then I can be gone because I can't do it.
Okay, but I'm also increasing price on the polish too. It's not just I'm increasing price on everything. But I'm
On the
letting you know now
polish
though.
too?
Yeah, on the polish too.
What if you just put a clear and I can go?
Okay, so usually a clear is $10, but today is $20.
Well, I don't think that's fair. You've always charging the same thing. And that's why I come to you.
Well, things gonna change, honey.